My name is Denise Uwamariya. I'm an assistant lecturer at the University of Rwanda, College of Science and Technology, in School of Science, Department of Mathematics. I'm also a PhD student at Linköping University in Sweden in a mathematical statistical division. My research is about large deviation, and large deviation is a theory which deals with the probability of unlikely events. Those events which happen with a small frequency. Those events, when they happen, they can cause huge effect to the society. For example, the earthquake, epidemic and pandemic disease. And also this large deviation theory can be applied in insurance company to determine amount of premium to be paid every month. So what I can say as a message for young ladies, if you really like mathematics, you can do it. I'm here, I have master's degree in mathematics, I'm doing a PhD in mathematics, and I'm also teaching mathematics at the University of Rwanda. And mathematics is not only for teaching, but also mathematics can be applied in many areas. For example, in bank, in civil aviation. And also to become a good engineer, you need also to know mathematics. So if you really like mathematics, you can do it, and then you can succeed in your future career.